Let's go ride today. Beautiful weather. Today is Saturday. 69 degrees. Oops, no power. Well, let's try something. Maybe the battery went down or is dead, since my last ride was like 2-3 months ago. I'm gonna use jump box. Very useful. Okay, first of all we need to connect right here. We take it out the little cover. Right here we have the battery and this 2023 RS BMW. Right here is the ground, and the red color always is the power. So we're gonna take it out of the little cup. We wanna connect first the red color, I mean the power, and right here is the ground, and we can see right here it's 12.2 volts. Okay, after we connect it to the battery, we want to connect the connector right here on this side, and then we can turn on. Okay, well, let's try that. Power here.